I'm Kathryn Procope, and I'm the head of school at the Howard University Middle School of Mathematics and Science. Our school is located on the historic campus of Howard University in Washington, D.C. We currently serve 294 students from all the wards in Washington, D.C. The challenges that we face with respect to COVID primarily were making sure that our school building would be safe for any individuals coming into the building. Naturally, in addition to that, we had to address distance learning, but the safety of our staff and students was the primary challenge that we faced. Our initial response to cleaning and sanitation was to follow the directives of the DC Department of Health and the CDC. We were doing what was called a deep clean. We had our cleaning service go through and wash all of the surfaces within our building. I heard about SurfaceGuard through a colleague who sent me an email introducing the company and providing a little bit of information, asking if we'd have a conversation to hear about the product. In our efforts to follow the health department's protocols, we made a choice for SurfaceGuard because we wanted to make sure that we went above and beyond the requirements for disinfecting and cleaning our building. And we felt that SurfaceGuard gave us a step above what was being asked. The difference with SurfaceGuard from all the other options that we looked at was that SurfaceGuard, number one, was a nano level cleaning, meaning it wasn't just a surface, it was touching every single space in our building, from the walls to the door handles to even any computers that the children would be touching. And nothing that we had looked at was going to that level. The SurfaceGuard team did two things to help us to ensure that we have a safe building for our staff and students. They came and demonstrated to us the difference between a surface level cleaning that our cleaning crew was doing and what happens when the SurfaceGuard product is then applied on top of that. The difference was phenomenal. We saw where our cleaning team was not touching every surface that children normally touch. And with SurfaceGuard, we got to see that they would cover every single space in our building and provide that level of security that we wanted to basically offer our parents and our teachers. How SurfaceGuard is helping us overcome our safety challenges, I don't think that people realize what children do when they're in a building. So children touch everything in addition to each other. And what SurfaceGuard provides to us is that coverage of everything. So it's not a cloth being wiped over a table or over a chair. It's a nanoparticle level spray that's going across every single surface in the building. We're able to say to our parents and to our staff that when anyone comes into our building, no matter where they are, in a bathroom, a classroom, in a hallway, that we have covered those surfaces with a chemical that is abrasive, that's going to protect them from any particles that could possibly be on those surfaces. To another principal who has the same challenges that we have in our building, and that is keeping their staff and students safe and thinking about how do they go that extra step to get that level of clean, I would have them take a look at what SurfaceGuard provides and really take a hard look at what is their current cleaning system providing. So using the chemicals that are listed in the CDC documentation, they are abrasive, they have some effects on breathing. However, one of the wonderful things about SurfaceGuard is you don't have any of that. And the other thing I would also say is look at what is your cleaning crew doing. It isn't that they're not doing a good job, because all of them are, and they're going an extra mile because of the pandemic. However, SurfaceGuard takes it a step further, and it covers a surface that is not normally covered with cleaning, And when you look at how much cleaner it is after the cleaning, this is the safety that you want to provide to your parents and your students. One of the things that I love about the partnership that we have with SurfaceGuard is how responsive they are. They've come and explained to us how the product works. We've seen in detail what the cleaning looks like. They've come in and cleaned every single surface that we've had anytime we needed. They've given documentation to us to provide to all of our stakeholders and partners, and we think that it's a great partnership. We feel even more confident than we were when we were just doing cleaning. None of our staff members have had any issues since we've started using SurfaceGuard. We haven't had any cases, and I feel a lot more comfortable when I'm telling people and they're asking us, what have you done to maintain the safety of your building? And we've gone over and above what the requirements are.